Number 1. 1970 C10, $2,000, Wenatchee, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe C10 is a budget-friendly classic pickup project. Priced at just $2,000, it features a newer Goodwrench 350 cubic inch V8 engine that reportedly runs well. However, the truck shows signs of wear with high mileage, 308,663 miles, needs new tires, and lacks a title, making it a bit of a gamble for potential buyers. The green paint and automatic transmission round out this rear-wheel drive pickup, best suited for an experienced restorer or parts donor. Number 2. 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger, $5,500, Cle Elum, Washington. This 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger 4x4 is a rugged classic in good condition. The brown pickup is equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. The seller notes numerous new parts, but the vehicle needs some finishing work and must be trailered. With a clean title, it offers a solid platform for someone seeking a vintage off-road truck with potential. Number 3. 1979 Dodge Power Wagon, $10,000, Mason City, Iowa. A true off-road legend, this 1979 Dodge Power Wagon is in fair condition and offered at $10,000. Powered by a V8 engine with four-wheel drive and automatic transmission, it starts but is currently undrivable. Issues include a faulty radiator, cooler lines, and windshield wiper. With a rebuilt title and high collector appeal, it's ideal for restoration enthusiasts. Bumper 4. 1967 Dodge D100, $6,800, Tucson, Arizona. This rare 1967 Dodge D100 is a rust-free survivor with only 38,554 miles, odometer rolled over. Sporting a numbers-matching 225 slant 6 and 4-speed NP435 manual transmission, it's geared for both city and highway use with a 3.55 rear axle. Finished in yellow with a clean title, this Arizona native truck is perfect for collectors looking for an original, reliable driver. Number 5. 1968 Chevrolet C10, $13,500, Salinas, California. A desirable short bed fleet side, this 1968 Chevrolet C10 is mostly original aside from the seats. Priced at $13,500, it features a V8 engine, manual 3-on-the-tree transmission, and has 80,000 miles. Though not a show truck, it runs and drives well. Some rust is present on the rockers and door pillars. A clean title and classic lines make this a great candidate for light restoration or weekend cruising. Number 6. 1964 Chevrolet C10, $15,000, Klamath Fall. This long bed 1964 Chevrolet C10 offers a classic daily driving experience with a 283 cubic inch V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. It comes with new brakes and power steering and is listed in good condition. The green truck has a clean title, though the odometer is broken. Last known reading, 65,000 miles. A great balance between originality and usability. Number 7, 1969 Chevrolet C20. $12,000, Los Angeles, California. This well-kept 1969 Chevrolet C20 pickup is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. With only 2 family owners and an odometer reading of 2,818 miles rolled over, it runs smoothly and has been maintained with regular oil changes. The truck has a clean title and minor cosmetic damage, a dented grille. With California smog exemption and clean body lines, it's a smart buy for collectors or daily drivers. Number 8, 1968 Ford F100, 10,000 Soledad, California. This 1968 Ford F100 short bed features an inline-6 engine and manual transmission. With 65,000 miles, the gray pickup shows typical rust and comes with a treasure trove of parts, modern suspension components, engine swaps, and patch panels. At $10,000, it's an excellent project truck for enthusiasts wanting a blend of classic style and modern performance upgrades. Number 9, 1965 Ford F250, $10,000, Redding, California. Offered as an ideal restoration project, this 1965 Ford F250 comes with a 352 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It runs well and has 68,000 miles on the odometer. With only 3 previous owners and a clean title, this 2-wheel drive heavy-duty truck is a solid platform for those seeking a vintage workhorse with classic charm. Number 10, 1967 Ford F250, $8,500, Queen Creek, Arizona. This 1967 Ford F250 is a 2-owner truck featuring a 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed automatic transmission. It runs and drives, but is listed as an unfinished restoration project. With 60,000 miles and a clean title, this classic pickup offers a great opportunity for someone looking to complete a vintage build on a budget. Number 11, 1969 Ford F500 flatbed with liftgate, $9,500. This heavy-duty 1969 Ford F500 features a 300 cubic inch industrial 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission with 2-speed rear axle, and a functional 2,000-pound liftgate. With 79,000 miles and 6 brand new tires, this flatbed is both functional and collectible. The only issue is a faulty carburetor choke causing slow acceleration, a rare find for classic commercial truck fans. Number 12, 1977 Chevrolet 4x4 pickup, $8,500, Morrow, Oregon. This lifted 1977 Chevrolet 4x4 pickup features a 383 cubic inch V8, 6.3 liter, long block installed in 2020 with under 2,000 miles of use. Equipped with large 35-inch tires and manual locking hubs, it's described as loud and fun to drive. Though it has some rust and paint peeling, the truck has a clean title and valid Oregon registration, a great value for classic off-road enthusiasts. Number 13, 1985 Chevrolet G30 box van, $700. At just $700, this 1985 Chevrolet G30 one-ton box van is a budget utility buy. With a 6.2-liter diesel V8 engine and automatic transmission, it is not currently drivable and best suited for parts, repair, or conversion. Showing 397,503 kilometers, it's ideal as a storage shelter, workshop base, or off-grid camper conversion. Clean title and included spare parts make it appealing for creative projects.